Hello and welcome. In this very first video, I will show you how to build your very first Android Unity plugin. Some people get scared when it comes to the native code, but I will show you that there is nothing to be afraid of. First, open Unity and create new Unity project. You have done a tremendous amount of work. Now go and get some coffee as a reward. You made it this far. I'll wait for you. Now you know that's a lie, so put that coffee aside and get back to Unity with your sense of guilt about undeserved coffee. Create a new C# script and name it whatever you like. Don't forget to switch your platform to Android. Now open your newly created version script, eliminate all the useless garbage that has accumulated there, and create a public method to test what we are going to implement. Get back to Unity and create a button on your canvas that has been so patiently waiting for you. Make the button as big as your fingertip. Finally, add our script as a component and select the method that we wrote before as a button click listener. Now click, 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 and make sure everything works. Now, for a few seconds, complain why the sound is so terrible in this video. So let's get our hands dirty with the implementation now. Now open Android documentation of the Toast class and shamelessly steal the full class name. Now hide it into your script as a variable. And next, create new Android Java class passing the Java class name to the constructor. Now go make 5 squats to stay healthy during the lockdown. Call static method on Toast Java class to get a Toast Java object. Pay attention to my lovely drawings that explain what goes where. So call that show method on the Toast Java object. Your compiler is now like, what is context, text, and duration? And what is the meaning of life? Let's take care of these unrecognized variables now. Duration is quite simple. In Android docs it's 1, so we use it to make our toast long. The text variable is even simpler. Under the hood, it's converted to Java string and you don't have to do anything. So what's the context, you would ask? Well, that depends on the context, but in the context of our tutorial, it's Android context. We can use activity as such. Deploy the app to your Android device and click, click, click to observe your magnificent toast on the screen. Congratulations, you've achieved your goal. But that's not all. If you are good Unity citizens, you need to get your garbage out, and since Android objects are disposable, make sure to dispose them in one of the 2 ways shown here. So thanks for watching this video and stay safe. Ah yeah, and one more thing, I'll leave the links in the description.